Hello guys, welcome back once again. In today's class, we are going to learn about how to draw a line with the help of the following methods. So there are four different types of methods are there to draw a line in AutoCAD. As we discussed in the last class also about x and y plane. So today we are going to learn much more about this one, UCS, user coordinate system. So I have drawn some figures over here to understand you people to how to use this line command in AutoCAD. There are, as I told you, there are four different types of methods are there. One is your Cartesian method, relative coordinate method, what we call relative polar method, and freehand method. There are four different types of methods are there. So how we are going to draw a line with the help of a what we call Cartesian method, we are going to see over here in today's class. So before we are going to learn about this method, we will know what this method is going to see for us, right? A Cartesian coordinate system has three axes. So here I have been drawn a three axis, that is your x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. When you enter the coordinate value, it will indicate you either plus or minus, whichever you are moving your cursor. So it is going to indicate you your values of x and y's. So this is your x value, this is y value, and this is z value. So here in 2D you are not at all going to see all the three axes because we are working with respect to only y and x axis. So in x what I'll call in what I'll call 2D AutoCAD, we are seeing only x and y. Alright, we are not at all seeing these things. So here I have taken a small example with the help of a coordinate system over here. I have taken a 2, 4. So in last class also I have shown you one small example with respect to a point, how to draw a point with the help of a coordinate system. So what we have done there, we have written point, right? Or as I told you, you can type PO also. It's left to you. If you after this writing PO command in the command box, then what we have done, we have entered, or you can press a space button. So it will save that specify the point. So what we have done here, directly clicking on the working area, what we have done, we have provided some coordinates value, right? Like 2, 4. And right now example it is there in front of you. I'm taking that one 2, 4. That means from x it should select the second point, right? It should select the second point over here, and in y-axis it should select the fourth, right? So I have not drawn over here 4, so I'm taking this is fourth, right? So here what it is going to do, from here, right, from here, so this, at this particular point you are going to see your point, right? This is what we have learned in the case of last class. So now in today's class we are dealing with respect to the line command. We are not talking with respect to the point. So here line is nothing but I need to draw a line either in x plane or y plane or in any of the other angles also, at an angle also. If you want to draw any line, so here I required what? First of all, we need to know what is a line. Line is nothing but a geometrical object meeting two endpoints will get a line, right? So meeting two endpoints we are going to get a line. So this is your point A and this is your point B, right? This is, we are going to call it as a line. So how we are going to draw a line? So I have been given the first coordinate value. It means I need to give the second. First coordinate is nothing but at this point line is on. Now you need to give specify the length of this line, how much length you required. You type in the command box. If I was taking a 5 units, then you need to just write 5 and press enter. It is going to work? No, it is going to work in the case of fourth method, but it is not going to work in the case of your first method. So when you are giving the what I call coordinate value for the first point, then you should give the coordinate value for your second point also. For this case, I have taken a small example over here. You can check out here how to use a line command in AutoCAD. First, what we will do for this line command, in command box, what you need to do, you need to type completely line, or if you do what we'll call here also, we got one shortcut command key called L, and then press enter. Alright, so after pressing enter, what it is going to say, it is going to say that specify the first point. So if I was taking, this was my first point, so here what we'll call in a point also I have shown you, directly click on your what we'll call AutoCAD screen or a working area. So where you click that one, so it will again going to ask you select the second end point. So if you are selecting these two, then what it is going to happen, it will create your line. That is your fourth method, that is your freehand method. But in case of this Cartesian method, what you need to do is you need to provide the coordinate values. How we need to provide the coordinate values? First, I have taken the example as 2, 4. From x-axis, it should move to the second unit, and from second 2 units, and in the y-axis, it should move what? It should move in the fourth unit. So when these 2 points will meet each other, at this point the line command will start plotting a line on your AutoCAD screen. So from this point it is going to start, so it will directly show you the line first point over here, and it is going to ask you the second point. So if I want a 5 units, then what you need to do, you need to give the second coordinate value for the end point. So what we need to do, we need to give the 2 plus 5, how much it is going to be added, that will become your 7. So what I need to do, I need to give the 7 comma 4, then it is going to give me a complete line of 5 units, right? So we'll check how it is going to work in case of our AutoCAD. See, this is my AutoCAD. I have been taken exactly center to see you people how it is going to be work. So what I will do, I'll just type L, that is nothing but your line, or you can type completely line. So when you type completely line, it is going to show you the shortcut command key also there, that is your line. So L, enter, or line. Okay, so now it is asking specify the first point. So what I will do, I will give this same, whatever the example I have taken over here, I have taken 2 comma 4, right? So what I will do, I will write 2 comma 4, right, and I will press enter. See where it is indicating, see this is from x-axis 2 unit, and from y-axis it is 4 unit. It is rotating in all the 360 degree. The line one end is fixed because the first coordinate point I have given, because of that reason only it has been fixed for the point A, but it has not been fixed for the point B, because I have not given or I have not specified the second point or a next point. So here what I need to do, I need to give the second end point. So if I was moving with respect to x plane, then you need to add that x-axis. So it is moving in the 360 degrees, so it is, we are going to call it as a polar, right? So if you want to switch on, either it should, this line it should move in the x plane or it should move in the y plane. Means what I need to do, I need to switch on the ortho mode. How you are going to switch on your ortho mode? By pressing function 8 key, or from the status bar you need to switch on this one. Now see, the line will move either in x plane or either move in the y plane. So what I will do, I will write this second command or second point. What is my second point? 7 comma 4. See here what I will do, in the option I will write 7 comma 4 and I will hit enter, right? I will hit enter. See, I got 5 units of line. So if you want to check that one, what I will do, I will just take a dimension. I will teach in the further class shortcut key for this dimension also. From here to here, it is going to indicate me 5 units of length of line. This is how we are going to draw a line with the help of a what I'll call Cartesian method. If I want at 2 comma 3, again I will write line, right, line. So what I will do, I will take this time 2 comma 3. If I was taking the first also 2, it will become overlap, so I will just increase 4 comma 2. Okay, I will increase here 4 comma 2, then the line will start at this point, so it will be clearly visible for you people. I am taking 4 comma 2. I'll hit enter. See here, on x-axis, from x-axis 4 and from y-axis it will become 2, right? If I want a line in the upward direction, what I need to do, I need to add in the y plane. So that means 4 comma 2 have been taken. So here x value you keep second point 4 as it is, and you just add for the y value. How much I required? For example, I required a 5 units again here also. Then what I will do, 4 comma 5 plus 2, that will become your 7. So I will write 4 comma 7 and I will hit enter. So that is my end point, right? If I want to check the dimension of that one, what I will do, I'll just type the dimension, linear dimension I was taking. See here, this is 5 units. This is how your polar Cartesian method will work. So if you got any doubts, please comment in the comment section, then definitely I will try to solve your problem, or I will create one more new video for you people for more detailed information. Thank you.